Sa papa we di Jimmy eko ni krom Juaben South. Okogada Ghana for mayuwa ne mabawa ene mrewa ewo edwom ekachiro mo se 11 no omo ne NDC for na aka omutira bom na NDC for na agye atum na omo ba TV so omo person be agye atum ba omo ne NDC for di nkomo a NDC for so omo famra akwawe okogina eye ni krom kachiro mo se 11 no or the ba be si hospital 11 no or the ba be si school 11 no or the ba be ye kwan kwasiampanyi we nti akwawe ni Jimmy no enye enne ena ni Jimmy ne start ye 90% of them, they don't even understand the problem part in the womb. They don't get it. They don't get it. They don't understand. In their head, it is a fight between them and the NDC. That is the problem with the NPP. But you drew I will discuss that with you. But before that, Enra Mekachre Ghana for say, a year Papa we are or year MP for a year New Juaben South. Papa, your friend, a year Michael Ochibesi. Now, Akwatia say he needs to come out and resign. If it's a statement or making or Akwatia, it was an emphatic statement. Or say NDC winning Akwatia seat now or be resigning as a member of parliament. This is a very heavy statement. Senka NDC MPP winning elections no Akwatia. Anka or the sad statement because Akwatia parliament. Akwatia Ghana for say the NPP base and Ghanaians should respect him. And that he is not a liar. And that he is a lawmaker who is consistent and speaks the truth. Now, the statement to make he Akwatia say NPP lose elections no Akwatia or say a permanent free parliament, it's a statement you and I we cannot underestimate. We cannot just look at the statement as a mere simple statement. No. That statement, it goes down or it cuts deep. It goes down when you talk about a principal politicians, we can't allow people to just make statement and walk. Now, this is the video. I'm going to discuss this issue with you.
Mark my words. I can even tell you that if we lose this election, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win these elections. We'll win. If we lose these elections, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win. By close of day Tuesday, you see that we have won the elections. If we lose these elections, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win. If we lose these elections, I'll resign as a member of parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win.
This is not just a simple statement. This is a very heavy statement. The reason why I say heavy is say this guy didn't go to parliament just by himself. A nipa bi na na no asem e believe the oka and omdi to me any omure shade mu say uncle parliament. Now, majority of Ghanaians are saying this guy should resign. Asamna okai no na etu nsini so. Asamna obi na no kire Ghana for no okakire nkwara ekakire mpenifo. Okakire Ghana for nyina. Now this twerp, this idiot, adiachi yato abanewie, he is still trying to run away from his own statement. And if you know or say a year uncontested 2028 elections into our apologize, we don't care. Remember this guy, Tama Obewini MP, a year Juaben South, first time, no. You can go into the archives of Asasi Radio. Or catch Ghana for catch a year Juaben South for say he's just going to be a one-term MP who is going to come and fix things. A year is be a boy essay no. Inti say ato abama na on there he doesn't even want to go more than one term. Akwa win a cash the same way. He sat on Asasi Radio and making that statement. Now that was the time and now we winning MP seat no. Or catch Acheampong mo or catch nkwara mo nipa omudi omure shade no. He made that emphatic statement say on the obeko MP one term pe. Na eya esibe yebo ade de na wejimi wanya nyoma ye inti ono ba betenetene nyoma ewo de Juaben South just one term and then he walk. Now obewura mu a omodo to abanama no enkwara ani penifo edane abane hye ne nsa no yetwa na osabeka kire ye say ahemfu bi ani penifo bi ewo constituency wo pa ne chew say ono de onsanko another term. This guy abra na ohini bia mpa ne chew abra bia na penyini bia mpa ne chew. And that was the strategy he used. or the dada Ghana for he sa osade contesti biam Emma MPP for wie mu ba no Emma ni win 2020. Now ebe win 2024. Now for this guy to come out today again to tell us to say, oh, on the case obe resigning, se si ano on resigning biom na 2028 no enya ade a obesa akọ parliament no e kire wa bodam e na nipa say obe fa na asem atu trim aginity. This is a person that 2 days ago also say MPP losing elections now he will resign honorably. This same person after just 24 hours NPP losing election no resignation or say on resigning. And I also catch say yenjinindi na 2028 uncontested biom actually we Jimmy. Akwawe omu ahemfo a omo eye Juaben South. Sa Jimmy fowe omu Ghana fo a yede taxes etua nka ema ne fu ayes aponchireni omuye. Sa Jimmy fowe he underestimate every single person. And say wo eye Juaben South. Na sa akwawe efrin kran be catch we say ochira no pa ye ba be see hospital wo ha obegine dia na sa wungine ndi because time obe wini MP first kra no oka say okọ 1 term pe na after 1 term no obe free so time do ya also free so no simpeni for na kasa say on to aso wasa be shabo say MPP wini wa Akwatia obe kwete ana obe resign if parliament in 24 hours wadane ne ho be ka kire say Akwatia so no kan no opa achew na ono kra no 2028 uncontested also we Jimmy for. So you expect me to sit here and such a person, I may address it as honorable onim nyansa, all because our parliament. And then I'm catching the power say I was send me money buo. Because you see, there are young people they are looking up to this guy. You will be a old school to see. I'll say Papa we know with Jimmy and so or the dimu sa be di MP or any pebia sebio me hwe MP na odino sebio nyoma oya me pese mesumi nyini na me be penyini pa na ebia mabe MP ba me me kwase ate so no. Now such a person or a member of parliament odi a whole constituency nim, he cannot keep his word. What shows to say abrantie we ana papa we oko parliament as someone beka wo ho no oba beka no krena chiromo. Do you remember this guy? This is the same fool E-levy time ana omo pese omo twa E-levy. Mr. S, get me the video. Time ana MPP pese omo twa E-levy omo pese omo de E-levy ba ana NDC for prese E-levy no mema omo fa beto Ghana for so sa papa we di ni Jimmy ekọ ni krom just Juaben South okogada Ghana for mayiwa ne mabawa ene mrewa ewo edwom eka kire omo say E-levy no omo ne NDC for na aka omutira bom na NDC for na agya tum na omo ba TV so omo person be agya tum ba omo ne NDC for di nkomo a NDC for so omo famra akwawe okogina eye ni krom ka kire omo say E-levy no or the Babesi hospital. E-levy no or the Babesi school. E-levy no or the Babe ye kwan. Kwasiampe yiwe. Ojina dwom etwa atro ekire emayiwa emabawa ye maamenom ye nuanom ewo Juaben South akwawe. Enti akwawe ni Jimmy no. Enye enne ena ni Jimmy ni start ye. Enti so obeka kire wo say, "Oh, the AC no nti 2028 men contest ya. We Jimmy on kano correct." Now in fact, Mr. S, I think it's on the system. His name is Befi, right? I made you guys save it in the system. Okoni Chrome. Eko kachiro say E-levy, Mr. S, I have it. E-levy, I have it here. Thank you very much. Video ni kwasi asemo beka oko kachiro the Chrome for the constituency ni.
Magi aponi na tofa maye. Esimuni na yen so E-levy. Say ade wa kuzo wa yan kan say yan try E-levy no. Me call World Bank and I say call IMF. See a call Jibusia. In your call in a Omega and now Danko before to say free senior high school one culture. Come on, Munina Manum, my real school, I'm a school, I'm just go. Sunset, wait a moment, you're just walk. Miss Remo Bushafo, make me a member of parliament. Many NDC for the parliament. The BIA mom hate to move to parliament. Who NDC for any MPP for no are parliament. Yanina Yakitum. NDC for no Acheampong say you live in a year. There be Yomuka say, Yangi, who near Pushian passing you live, near passing a boy. Nemo, almost to be my country. Or mine is a communion to the country of my normal water over Domunia. And no tea, and this is for the crash and say, and the PIC and country. Nemo, almost to be my country, and you want to your, yeah, your parliament will start if you have only a number. And Miss Ramo, me and you too,
E11 time na near to parliament, Ghana focus your pay 11, Kwasia way, a cone chrome. New Juaben South. Okojina jom. O jom fombano. O catcher almost say 11 no de bano. Oh, NDC for no makasa okukum say yemfa 11 imbra. Kwasia way. Adiana oya in there enya new. It is something he has been doing for years. With Jimmy Ache. Emma, because an MPP wa power nti Jimmy Fowe o mbuni constituency no o wo so mwe Jimmy. O buo so mwe nkurase for. Because as some way I could the constituency in 2024 no or bedroom kaya on kata asam no ho o mu ohine no ho no o mu ohima no o mu eye edwomfo a o mu ho o hu so mo gimi o mu ye nkurasefo into bedru ekrom ho a our message a ode mom. This was 2024 11 time okojira edwom ekwaje mic etwantro ekre New Juaben South for say Omwe Jimmy na we the MPP for no NDC for no na omo ne omo planning unum sesa Acheampong we time na omo ko IMF we Jimmy ache na on say wasam maya na fu na yesa no Jimmy na gumo akwa we he does not have to sit in parliament. The leadership of the NDC should make sure he resigns. Sa kwasia we ya time na Ekufuado de ko IMF kenofori atamo de ko IMF. Before that, na NDC for at forcing Mahama muye crossroads. Eka just a DDEP beba MPP diabeko IMF. Sa kwasia we sa kwatena ni krom. Emma ofre eye de journalist for ba ni krom. Emma osaka ekire ni krom for say IMF from okono. Eye small boys muntie no. Kwasia we Jimmy enye no onie.
For bailout or whatever. We're going to IMF for bailout. Do you know the meaning? The meaning is that people don't know. Immediately you say you want to go to IMF, it means that you are going to tell the IMF that IMF, please, me Ghana, I can't manage my economy. So come and help me manage it. That's the meaning. Immediately you say you are going for a bailout. Immediately you take that decision. Then you mean that you are going to tell them. And do you know what they will bring? They won't bring their expert to. The deputy finance minister was telling me that I said all the IMF meetings they have had, high level meetings, small boys. To come and take the decisions. That's small boys. To come and Ghana do this.
It's time na omoko IMF no na kwasia we catch Ghana for say omomko IMF bia na oko IMF a na say o catch IMF say wankasa wo Jimmy untumi hwe osika sam so nti omonje wo kuro no asam okotena de krom efre Ghana web for so omumbe interview no owie na osaka say ai omo the deputy finance minister na catch ne say omo do IMF for small boys ade na omo nko IMF sa time no for yata for play na oko IMF akwa we nanum so o deputy trade minister sa ochiribe fi Acheampong we na o deputy trade minister enti this is the MPP for you. Sa MPP na and then kwasiafo nyina ko gya Bawumia any Kennedy Japan chi any Acheampong chi no. These are the same foolish people. Original TV so ka kire say IMF small boys here nko IMF bia na deputy finance minister kwa ka kire nse nkwa na tewo. Na okosa ope bailout na it means say usika sem no wase no kura ma wagimi nti IMF na meje man no. Inti anya de ombeko IMF oko ni krom and of Fred Ghana web so omra and o gather the krom for no ho and this is the message of the maomo. Did it end there? Enkwasiade asajimi ni we waye no. Enya no.
I'm tempted
today you're going spiritual.
No, I want to use words, but I don't want to offend people.
The sensibility.
So I'm just trying to use words that because I nearly use a word that I don't know because I mean he's my senior brother and he may take offense in that. I see the point is that let us face the fact. Is the government doing something about this situation or not? The point the government is doing a lot. Government is, as I talk to you now, government is engaging different sectors of the economy. I mean stakeholders, talking to them, asking them also to come out with ideas that will happen. See,
shouldn't we have done this before?
That's what I'm talking
because
about.
We're now meeting the IMF and then we're doing engagement.
Now you are talking about the situation where we are not listening. How come a government is not listening and a government is engaging? Does it add up? We are engaging. We still have the mandate of the people to rule and govern. So therefore, we need to do things that will make them happy, that will please them, that will make the system good for everybody to do business. I mean, and also make profit in business. So when we are trying, you say we are not trying. In any case, when they were in power, did they do those things?
They will go again.
I'm not saying that, please. I am just saying that I completely, when we say people have the men to govern or have ideas to govern, I mean, it is even out of place for you to compare NDC with an MPP. I don't stand to be corrected. There are things that I say. How do you say that? It is completely out of place. You cannot situate it at any given talk or conversation. I mean, what were you able to do? What did you do? As a matter of fact, I am telling you in confidence that if you people were being power by this time, people would have been selling human beings on the streets of Ghana. I am telling you.
This is a former trade minister. Ochibe fi Jimmy Fowe. Onyo. Okoka che the chrome for say IMF no small boys. Oko for bailout. Na ese wanka se we Jimmy no. Oba Accra no betina TV so. Obetina TV so no. Otele na oka. Osi right now they are engaging the IMF. Osabedu nkran no. Oja Juaben South for no hono. Osabedu Accra no betina TV3 no. Osi se see there we are engaging IMF. Kwasi we ya saka kire say IMF ko ankora na wo ho. Deputy Finance Minister Krakachere say they will never go to IMF because Saoko Honaka say you are coming for bailout. And I say one kasa abine with Jimmy. Any 2 days no saba and crying. Oban can about TV so kachere and crying for say the government is willing and ready and the government is engaging IMF. Kwasia we kachere say 2028 uncontested. Abra waka say Akwatia NPP lose also resigning. So why is this fool still an MP? Who is going to believe such a charlatan? This guy is a despicable, dirty, filthy thing. Because as a deputy trades minister, former deputy trades minister, every statement he made, Biano, you could see say, Akwatia Jimmy, and he speaks out of foolishness and ignorance. How can we have such people in our parliament? And there you say, every single day, we are the people feeding these dogs. A dog like this, no, we will give him money and then he will spend the money with some filthy lady. Now, Wasaka say, Jimmy, he needs to resign. You see, there's no argument about this. When the guy was making that statement, you could see, say, he was damn sure and he was talking to every single Ghanaian. So why is it that today we should allow this guy to go back to parliament? Then, Acheampong, because free parliament also this is a perfect time for us to use this goat to set an example. He needs to be the scapegoat. We need to use people like this to shape in the system, because system not say a check. Some people have taken advantage of the system in the name of politics, in the name of I am an MP, in the name of I am a council of member. These people, we need to use opportunities like these to check the system. Say, yet to me, I get rid of this guy in parliament. No, we will run parliament. MPs in parliament will think before they talk. Yet to Kromha, and a Carlos Ahenkra, Acheampong way, a snatchy ballot box. And with that one, I blame Speaker of Parliament, Alban Bagbin. On it is so some Alban Bagbin is the one I blame. Now you're two about our parliament. MPP, Carlos Ahenkra. Acheampong etumi snatch ballot paper in parliament. Ye jama Carlos Ahenkra etna parliament. Na ende ye koto abado bi ko snatch paper. Kwasi abe na ye kwakwache no. Parliament ye shemra. Parliament ye yemra. Parliament omutumi gina mra so edidi obi asem no. Parliament atena ho ma Carlos Ahenkra tumi tena parliament. Alban Bagbin, every day talking about he having credibility and being one of the best statesmen and knowing all the knowledge when it comes to parliamentary issues, political issues, government issues. He sat in parliament and allowed that fool to sit with him. Alban Bagbin, he allowed Carlos Ahenkra, that fool, to sit in parliament with him. And what does it make you? If Carlos Ahenkra is an idiot, what does it make parliament? We need to let the system work. We need to check the system. We need to calibrate the system. Yaso so nkwasi asem so ma san kwasi afo to be cast from wedi. Jimmy ni we so en free parliament a ochina obekọ command kofu adura no momowu. Ade chi obeka say enyo no ne kan. Because you see, words are very powerful, and words from people who are in leadership are very potent. Enti se nipa say any opportunity no na se odi san kwasi asem say na yetna ho as a people na nipa fun say etumi sa tena parliament na yentumi am finding ways to get him out of parliament. Then it means we are setting a precedent. Kwasi bia betuma make a statement, the honorable tag no, we need to take it away. You get it? Then the honorable tag, no, we need to take that honorable tag away from parliament. Because if you allow this guy to sit in parliament, then there's nothing honorable about people sitting in parliament. There is nothing honorable about anybody sitting in parliament. This guy has been fooling for a long time, not today.
He is probably transferred to the NIB headquarters. Can you confirm that for us?
Yeah, but we are so sure that he is not here. But the reason why we are here is not because he's here or not. It's because Yoko arrested him. They arrested him. So the assumption is that we have come to a place that he was arrested. And these people are in charge of the case. So BNI is just, they are just keeping him. They are just giving him shelter. That's all. But the real case is with these people.
Which means, as we speak, your official information indicates that he's at the BNI.
No, we know. We are so sure about that he's not here. That one we know. But this cannot continue. I mean, you, Ramona Acha, I mean, you know what you are doing is not good. And nobody is supporting or nobody is encouraging wrongdoing or anything. What we are interested about is rule of law. Let us follow the process of the law. Let the law work. That is all that we are talking about. But if you decide to do things to please your own self, and note that we are human beings, it can create a lot of problems. It can elicit a reaction that will be very negative, and that will come. You see, because as you push us up, we'll get tired, and if we get tired, we'll start misbehaving. And when we start misbehaving, you talk about it. Ghanaians will not be happy, because now for me, I'm so sure that we have to be very aggressive. I'm convinced beyond every reasonable doubt that we have to be very aggressive and maybe destructive.
Does that aggression include you maybe spending the night here?
Not just spend the night, creating problems.
Like what?
I mean, it is pregnant. That statement is pregnant, and we will be able to open up.
Which some people would be surprised coming from the lawmaker.
No, but these people are not behaving. I mean, as also people who believe in the law. These people, they are not law-abiding citizens. Clearly, everybody knows that what this guy is doing is absolutely stupid. Stupidity at the highest level. It doesn't make sense. It is senseless for anybody to behave like this. Take the person to court. Let the person come out with his defense, and the law court will determine whether what is going on or whether the case have merit or not, and then the court will take a decision. But in this case, you have just taken your own decision without listening to the person, without giving him access.
So you are not spending the night here today?
We don't know. I mean, anything can happen. But the point is that we are so sure that if by 6 or 7 p.m., if Chamawuntumi is not released or granted bail, Ghanaians will see something different in this country.
When is the vice president arriving?
I can't tell. I can't tell for now.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Michael Ocherepa.
You see, no. This is a member of parliament. Oh, this guy has been a consistent fool. Oh, the inner monkey, no. This is a member of parliament. He used to be former deputy trades minister. To me, a state agency, iron investigations, a picket to me. I did not question a demo air question. No. A former state minister, Obiena no say they are going to be aggressive, they are going to be destructive, they are going to cause trouble, and that the actions from the Yoko and the boss himself, it is stupidity. This guy, Kwasiawe. And you want me to come and sit here and say, address this Bofruit as an honorable Bofruit? How can I address this Nanka as an honorable Nanka? This guy does not deserve to sit in parliament. Say, young man being a question or granted side interview, we are catching. So why are we leaving or allowing this Bofruit to be sitting in parliament? Abroad, no abeka say NPP and we need elections no Akwatia. He will resign. There was no gun pointed to his head. He made this statement. So the inner monkey in these foolish people, or MPP for no. Anytime you release the inner monkey, you see they are monkeys. Okay? I want to send this beautiful message. I want to send this beautiful message to the paramount chief of Ejoso, New Juaben. The paramount chief of New Juaben. Andrew, me catch red, Nana da Sibre Kweku Boatin the third. Da Sibre Kweku Boatin the third. New Juaben Mahene. Nana, sansama etwagu nyina wate. New Juaben wona ehya wonsa. Ade papa wurema unim. Ade boni wuremu so anana unim. Sebio oyo ohene kese. And you cannot tell me, say, Sadia Brantie aye, in some way a working. Sebio, we or hinia, we didn't tamakesi etia kunya kesi suno. You also see this as a normal thing. Men pesametina akase oyo hinia, utuntosio egufom, now do touch them afa. And as a sebio, oyo hinia, oka sama windiso. And I expect you say, oyo hinia, sebio oka sama windiso. Na wunjina nkran ni muntete nkran ni ntuntosio fa wakatra manfanti se abrantie wa ye frɛ no eye ochiribe afia ofiri constituency ejina Ghana fo anim edinsie dintam se Akwatia election no ankoso ama MPP wini a obedi ne konwa beto no e wo se nana wudi anim na wo hwɛ se eye sa abrantie odna konwa to ho efiri se eka wo nantia na aka wo to obi eka asɛm wo ya enya de obetumi twa wagya. Se obi ebufu na se oka asam etia brantie ya oya wodehye ofri ukrom wona sebe oya oman niti sebe o so oman ne nsoso nsemfo so a oman ne betwi niti aka se we die yempene so yempe nipa a odi oman anim ana nipa anim a oka asam a onni so oya ohini amebu pa. And I never want to disrespect you in any way. I don't want you to be a permanent face on my show. And I respect the way I want to match you krono abon ho ban esiesie nipa omuwom ema nipa no ntia wo. Obi be guess na na dia onya politics. Nana ugina baby a ode hwahwa ho. Abrantie we okọ ni interview of parliament na wutinechi. Time na ye vetting wa parliament say o me trade minister na wutinechi. What they will support no winshira every Juaben etna ka mu betina de chichire say oya wo dehye ewiemo nsuomo baby obeko biare ne beko. It means say so oya wo dehye ade a wa ye no e wo so ka kire wo dehye ne say ontwe ne ho emfiri amanyosemu ene parliament say nana wantumi andi sa adwuma we amfa wano asem ambeto abontene amagana fo nyan hu say wo ye ohene a sebio eye ketahye proye ene sebio nipa ene atro enya de bia ososo so a ye ne sebio mebunu ya ba no ebu a ewose yede ma no ebe din say ye unsabeka. I respect you a lot, and ade bia wose me ye bia na me di ebuo ma wono me de ba ma wo na emom senya wo fra ntoma ene wa hemfo edi nechi ebetena nechi eme evete no parliament no na wo gia tum say se odi bone a wo be bie wa no aka menya sure say e wonko esogu wo ketrema so a eno nko a na wo beka se odi boko na say ya e wo say no so wo ka enti today nana with all due respect me shaw ena me threaten. I am respectfully telling you speak on this matter and honorably tell this man to resign. Sa papa we by ochinachi wamba amba resign ya na echire se enkwasiade a ochirebe fi eye ene enwa nyawonsam ene atro a odi no wofua so ema abrantie we edi Juaben man odi omabro ababa awabi akwara bi openyini bi a owo kuro ma omodi omowure ahye saa kronfo we mu no sende wentumi anka nche papa we say ensem a wo kaaye no di wonsam so a na sebio nana wonso wote se abrantie yi na akonya a wote ni akonya kese akonya a wote so mibu akonya no I respect you and I respect all the chiefs omo saa area ho no. So I don't expect you or you don't expect me to sit here and speak as if say minim tumi ekutao pa minim say oyo hini a Ghana fo bu pa oyo hini a wokasa ewo Juaben a eye adwuma pa na menye sure say onya hini a wososo akromfo sam so wososo atro so onya ohini a wososo nipa a onka no kore so enti say opese Ghana fo hu say ahini na wudi no sebio ahini na wudi no enye atro ena sebio obo ho ban ewo eye Juaben enye politicians atro mudi ena sebio wo wagye apene so say obebo ho ban a ena kire se oyo hene a ode emra na wo sabu emra na nipa a odi omo so no ode anidie ma omo. If Nana, with all due respect, if you don't speak on this matter and instruct this man to honorably resign, the kind of respect I will expect to free obi to say me hono Nana everything there unya. With all due respect, Sanana went to me and to enum tuo. Went to me and kasa wa asem we ho. Went to me and si ubo and kan kire be fi say. On twene ho emfiri eyedien parliament. If we say in some akokan no, sebio enya wo na wo so ne nsama ne kan ya. Na e kire say eye Nana Dasebre anase Dasebre Kweku Boatin the third. Wo so wo yo hene a sebio won kan kore. If you say yenim sese de usi akonwa so a eye no kora e de usi so eye se nkan ko nti de usi so ye pese de wo be ye no ene na oman no ebehwe so de wo be bo ho ban no ena oman no ebegye atum de wo be po se oman ti no eno na oman no be po enti se nna no wo ye ohene a wodi eye den Juaben so na se asem wo ya beto ho na se Nana wentumi ansori ankasa because abrantie we convert no nkran udi na chi koye na opese wiase nyina hu se abrantie we fi ukrom oye ode hye we suan de ma ye ba be ma na bodini ye ba be bon so ye ba be ma no tumi ama na digana so na senda abrantie we na sa atwi edi nsem hunu edi disrespect ama Ghana fo ebu animtia we expect wo ohene na sebio unim nyansa cha abrantie we no ye expect say wo hene no wo benye saa kukuduro no abia wa no aka say abrante na sam no kaaye no say MPP enwini a obetwe ne ho afri eye New Juaben seat no so no e wo so otwe ne ho. This is not a joke. Dasebre Kweku Boatin the third utie me wo phone number ye ma be the next 48 hours Nana so when to man this adwuma we a and yes ye be hu to say said ehu eye den ochiribe fi no sebio se ne be treat ochiribe fi no saa ne be treat u memeti ano me ne ochiribe fi maame ni asem me ne ochiribe fi papa ni asem me ne ochiribe fi ni kurom hene ene wa asem every say ochiribe fi kurom hene no he stands for truth so ochiribe fi kurom hene a odi le chiba nkran ebe support no bambaji tumi entumi antia no anka nchen se onfa sebio osia enya oyo a na se ochiribe fi hene no ono so te se ochiribe fi because okoto wo we onwanoma koto enwanoma inti ye pese Nana wo kire se sa brantie we nsema o kan no e wo se odini bohye so e wo se otwe no ho as a member of parliament of Ayeden Juaben South, New Juaben South. Sa entumi amaso a mema Ghana fo mu se sebio Nana onya Nana e betumi agi wedi onya Nana wo ka no kore sebio ofua eye atroso. I expect to say enkodru sa pempenso na imbebunu edo betena eye social media so aka wenim efri say when di eye no kore ankyere wo man ba Intermediate, what I can say is, I am giving you all the respect, and I'm showing you all the respect tonight. Mr. Anadwi fra brantie, catch and say, in seminar bano enisusun. Ni jumadi a odi no onfanto. Se obua, so obu amanfo odi omanima. Saa ne MP no onfanto. If you say enya obi, ene di etuo si ni so. Se onka asema okan no. Eno ano no. Nana, obetemi nka biam na eche sa brantie wan resign. In some of the free man, enya fe, enya de, a better time. All right. Now, let's go to the next thing. Inflation, I drop it in Ghana. Obi said, please don't pull Nana into this. Abranti and the concrete, or convert no, Aden and Nadinichi. Mumbusa and Asa Aden to Dinichi. Odi the Chisadia. Mamma from Homa.